Good morning, everyone. Ohio gozaimasu. A lot of people say that Japan is expensive to travel to. Could be true, but going to challenge myself to fit a whole day's worth of meal into 1,000 yen. So 1,000 yen would be around 450 pesos in Philippine currency. So that's gonna be for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Because as a matter of fact, um, I've seen a lot of cheap food here, but my goal is to eat proper food. Good morning, guys. So I'm now up for the breakfast leg. I'm checking out the shops here. I'm torn between dining in a restaurant versus doing boxed meals like this one. Live Grocery really has very delicious boxed meals, but I wanna stretch my luck and see if my challenge would still allow me to eat inside the restaurant. So I think I found something interesting. So unfortunately, I don't read and understand Japanese, but let's check this out. Takeout counter. Not too bad. I thought it's automatic. Okay. Hi, hello, good morning.
Morning, bro. Hi.
Yeah. Do you have? Ah, okay. I see the English translation.
Okay.
Okay. I'll get the one with the egg.
Cash.
Okay.
Cash only.
Okay. So this looks like a stand-up bar. So I'm just standing with my ramen. Wanna eat? So I'm gonna try it. Early in the morning. It's delicious. Especially for me, I like eggs for breakfast. So this is perfect. So I'm finished with my breakfast ramen. Now heading back towards my um, bicycle. That's really good. So now for the continuation of the challenge. For lunch, I found a place that I think would help me fit my budget. So I just need to park my bike first. So it is here, Azukiya. Azukiyas are very popular here in Japan because of their I guess delicious meals. Um, should be popular about the delicious meals. But yes, I'm hungry, so I don't make sense in. So I'm just parking my bicycle. Sometimes I wonder why we still have to lock bicycles when you know that people here are honest. Here we go. Hi, is there a place upstairs? Or it's okay here? Okay, thank you. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so I just finished my lunch. People really sit close to each other, so I think it's better to shut up than disturb their peace in, while having their meal. It's actually gyudon, rice and pork. So after having lunch, I found my bike had this red tag, and I don't know how to read Japanese. So I think I probably parked in a pay parking. I probably violated something. So I'm sorry. I hope whoever put this red tag comes over to let me know why I had this red tag. So as I was saying, it was definitely filling. It's gyudon, so I believe it's pork. The red stuff that I put on it, on top of it, is I think radish. The Japanese put in their beef. I don't know if it's radish. Google it later. But yes, it's really good. It's just a medium-sized bowl, but it's really filling for me already. And I don't normally eat rice because it's heavy, too heavy, and too much carbs. But most Filipinos would really enjoy it. They serve free water, so no problem with hydration. And then once you're finished, you bring your receipt to the cashier, and then that's you pay, you queue, and they accept credit cards, so that's also good for me because when I travel, I prefer to use my credit card, so I don't have to exchange a lot of the foreign currency in that country I'm traveling to. I find it impractical to exchange a lot of amount of the currencies that of the country that you be traveling to and end up not using them and exchanging them back to local currency when definitely the value would be diminished. So it's really a good meal. I'm pretty full for lunch right now. So ready for another round of cycling. So again, this is still part of my 1,000 yen cover my meal challenge here in Japan. So I'm here as part of our 1,000 yen challenge. I'm down to get my dinner now. Checking out Lawson to see what they have for dinner, and I could get something within my budget in there, something decent enough. So let's see what for their box meals. I heard they even go on discount certain hours of the day, but I'm not waiting for it because I want to have my dinner. So they have buns and bread here. And look at this, 151 yen for salad, 249 yen with egg. I think 249 yen is roughly around 120 pesos, so that's around $2. So here are the meals. Spicy. This one looks awesome. For Filipinos, it's gonna be a treat eating in Japan because they also eat a lot of rice. They also have pasta. Too bad I can't read Japanese, but from the way it looks, they really are delicious. It's 470 yen. 417. Even like a young chow fried rice. But I'm eating this because I fancy this. So I'll try this one first to see if it's not tikya. It's rice again inside. It's really good. It's enough fuel for me for the night. I normally don't eat this amount of carbs in the evening, but since I know I'll be walking around the streets of Dotonbori, then of course we all know how a maki looks like. This one looks filling. I'll try it. Really good. I like the nori flavor. It gives it so much spice. Oh, okay. I thought it was just gonna be 369, but you have the taxes, so it's 398. So, hi guys. I just finished my dinner here. Okay, so I'm now riding the bike. So, help me, God, because it's descending and I'm like doing this selfie video. I just finished my 1000 yen coverage. So let's compute. For breakfast, I had the ramen, and that's for 271. Yeah. Lunch, I had the gyudon. That's 350 yen. Dinner, I had the one from the convenience store. That's 398. So I'll compute it. So it's 291 plus 350 plus 398. It's 1039 yen. If you apply the rule of rounding off, it's 1000. So we more or less got the goal. It is enough for survival. It's not the fanciest, especially like the gyudon, because the meat is very, very good. Then I also like the ramen. Well, the ramen. So the ramen is really good, especially the egg. In the morning, and it's really filling. The broth is really fresh, and the serving, the portion is really enough. So it means it's possible to actually um, eat on a budget without starving. Imagine if you just eat the noodles, the instant noodles from the grocery. I saw one bowl of instant noodles for like 100 yen. But then of course, you're not gonna be very happy doing noodles for your dinner, lunch, and breakfast. But it's really doable. So now I have the option to spoil myself with all the other Japanese dishes, especially the street food in Dotonbori, um, because of the savings. And I think bottom line is, if you're traveling, just do it your own way, but always remember that you're there to relax and really enjoy the culture of the place. So don't be too hard on yourself. Thank you for watching.